This is a serious matter. This is the impeachment of the second highest official in our government. And I believe it should be treated with the same amount of respect.
Naaalala tuloy natin si John Lloyd Cruz sa kanyang karakter na Popoy. Kapag pinapayuhan tayo ni Popoy na mag-ingat, damang-dama natin ang pagmamahal. Yan talaga ang paalala ni Popoy. Ingat tayo lahat.
Sino ba naman ako para pigilan ito? Sabi nga ng kanta, huwag mong bibitawan. Huwag niyo nang bitawan yung box. So I dare the committee to open the box, but with a caveat, siguraduhin niyo po na hindi kayo nakalalabag sa batas. At sinabi rin po ni Popoy sa pelikula, I deserve an explanation. I deserve an acceptable reason. Siguraduhin niyo po na kung bubuksan niyo yan, mayroon po kayong acceptable reason na naayon sa batas.
Inattribute po niya yung explanation, deserve an explanation kay Popoy. Hindi po siya kay Popoy, linawin ko lang po. Ito po ay kay Papa P, kay Piolo Pascual, sa pelikulang Starting Over Again. And I hope that as we decide on this matter, this will not lead us to starting over again.
I just want to make a quick manifestation and an appeal to our colleagues na kung pwede, if we can refrain from using pop culture references in our manifestations and statements. This is a serious matter. This is the impeachment of the second highest official in our government. And I believe it should be treated with the same amount of respect and gravity.